Whenever spring breaks through again, time may lie heavy between. By what is been is past forgetting. This sweet memory across the years will come to me. Though my world may go awry, in my heart will ever lie just the echo of a sigh.